Hey, all right. So if you're anything like me and you're super lazy, you're going to love custom building blocks in Google Drive. Or I guess to be more accurate, if you really like standardizing and consistency in your workflows, you're going to love custom building blocks. So I'll show you what I mean just right off the bat. So here I've got a blank document and I've already created a custom building block that I'm simply going to pull into this document. Now, this could be a huge document. I just want to insert it in the middle, but here we're starting with a blank text. So I'm going to use the Smart Chips, which is the @ symbol, and I'm just going to do @project, start to type, and it comes up pre-formatted with my custom building block here. I can just select it and it will insert it. So in this case, I've actually selected part of a template that I use all the time for project management, but really only focused on the 3 elements that I can use for any other document that's not like my project template. So in this case, just a simple plan, a checklist of actions and updates. So I will show you now how to create your own custom building block. So if I come over to Department Project, which this is the template that I was talking about for whenever I'm starting a new project, I use this. In this case, what I want to do, and we use the different one here. So we'll go up to Insert. Again, you can use the @ symbol and just start typing custom building blocks. But in this case, I'll just select this and I will select custom building block. And I'm going to do a new custom building block, right? And so in this case, maybe I just want to grab these 2 kind of standard titles and bullets. I'm going to click Save. So I've highlighted the section that I want to replicate elsewhere. So in this case, it's going to be project description, right? And I'm just going to do that, project description, and I'm going to click Create. So once it cycles through here, essentially within Google Drive, it will store all of your custom building blocks, and I'll show you how to actually get to that. But in the meantime, we're going to go in and we're going to type underneath the plan actions and updates, we're going to type project, right? And so now you see project descriptions is right there. If I click on that, it just simply inserts the title and bullets. So you can tell, you can get really, really specific, kind of complicated with tables and drop downs, just any text or formatting that you use repetitively and you find yourself always kind of going and copying and pasting. This is it. This is your solution. This can really help out in kind of keeping consistency across your documents. So I told you I was going to show you where you can actually manage these. So again, once you've already created some custom building blocks, you can always go to Insert, the drop down. You can go down to, if you highlight it, you can go to Custom Building Block. And when that comes up, at the very bottom of that little pop-up, there's a Manage Custom Blocks. If you click on that, it will go to the section inside of Google Drive where all of your custom building blocks are stored. So App Custom Blocks, and you can see the 2 that I set up for the training. So I hope that helps. And yeah, I'm super curious to see where this goes. I can really see this being useful in just so many different use cases. All right, later.